Hey everybody, the title is crazy, right? It really is. I'm gonna get to that in a second, but first, here's my hair. I'm gonna be prepping my hair before I do boho braids. I just want to get it straight so I can cut my hair, get all the ugly ends off. But first, y'all, look at the grays. Oh my god, they are coming. They are really coming in, and never really show y'all how I cover my grays. There's not a lot, but when I see it, I just think like, oh, I'm just full of wisdom. I got a lot of wisdom to give. But anyway, they're not gray hair. I have white hair. So I always cover my hair with some other stuff, but when I found this, and y'all, this is not a sponsored or a paid partnership, but this is my second time using this, and I haven't had to color my hair in like 3 months, even though I only do it twice a year, but this color lasted longer, and I'm probably late to the game, and y'all probably already been new about this, but it's great. It has this little tray. It's the color match. It really does it for me. When I saw that little tray, I was like, okay, this is it, because I don't want to use a lot. So when I saw that little tray in there, I was like, yes, this is for me. And then they have this little brush. I don't have to use that big brush. This is like more precise of getting the grays that I have. And y'all, once you see at the end of the video, when I'm straightening my hair, I have grays in my middle part section, where my bust down is at. I have gray hair there, and I never knew it. So when y'all see that part, you're going to see gray. I'm like, what happened? How that happened to me? But anyway, I love that. This is the color black, and it like already matches. They have some type of formulation that matches whatever's going on in your hair. Anyway, so let's get to the story. It said my boyfriend wants me to cut my hair, and I'm like, I have to share this because this is the most craziest thing. So I was thinking that I should get locks, right? And I'm just thinking it to myself, and I am telling, you know how you sit down and you talk to your man about everything, what you thinking or your plans or whatever. And then I'm growing my hair out. Okay, so and then I got the whole Olaplex. They sent me their whole whatever, and I'm using it for the first time. And I went to wash my hair, and your nails will really tell you what's going on when you're washing your hair. If you know, you know. But this number 2 or 3, when you rinse your hair out, and it's like the repair cream. It does everything you need it to do before you shampoo your hair. I noticed that my hair was kind of tangled because I need to clip my ends. So I put all that repair cream in my hair, and I went to town, and you can really feel the difference because I have color treated hair. This is like to repair your hair, and you have to use it like 3 times a week. But I think this is for like the white girls who wash their hair every day. You know, I don't wash my hair every day, but you can use it every time you wash your hair, or if you have like a goal, you can wash your hair weekly. I never wash my hair weekly, y'all. But this is for the girlies who wash their hair daily. It says use 2 to 3 times a week. But I can really feel the difference. If I had the heart to really wash my hair every freaking day, basically, I think my hair would be really great. So I washed it. I used their whole system that they sent me. Shout out to them for putting me on their PR list. And girlies, if you're going to use this, go ahead and use it. If you're like going to style your hair, this is a leave-in conditioner. If you're not going to do like a heat style, use that. But if you're going to do like a silk press, don't use it. And if you're going to use a tad bit. I use it only because this is to prep my hair. This is not where a silk press where I wanted it to be really silky, really shiny, falling out. Don't use it if you're looking for that, okay? And then this the oil. That's why I was like, okay, this really got to be for the white girlies too, because it's an oil. I was like, I would never put oil in my hair to straighten it out. But the oil, it's not really an oil. It's so lightweight and it smells really nice. It's like a serum, but they call it an oil. But it's like very, very lightweight. It like melts into your hair. So anyway, so if you're skeptical about that, I seen somebody on TikTok say, I don't know about Olaplex. I don't know. Oh, y'all, they did not pay me. Okay, I'm not in a partnership with them or anything. But my hair was so nice and silky and shiny. But anyway, let me get to the story. So I told him that, I'm looking to do locks. I want to do locks because I think that's the next step for me. And Sydney wants me to join her in the lock journey. And I was like, oh, yeah, I'm okay with that. And then he's like, then you should cut your hair. I was like, why would I cut my hair? He was like, because you're starting a lock journey. I said, yes, but I've been natural for a very long time. My hair is natural. Why would I cut my hair? He was like, it's just a journey that you got to take. You got to start from scratch. And I'm like, I did start from scratch. My hair was literally short, like shaved size when I started my journey, even though I cut my hair so many times during my natural hair journey, but my hair is natural. He was like, no. How the way Sydney cut her hair, how her hair was short, that's how yours got to be. I was like, who? What? Now I'm second guessing this relationship because what are you saying? Okay, so I got these comb, those things that went viral a while ago. How you don't have to do the chase comb method. The comb is already attached to your flat iron, and then I didn't know it had like an adhesive to it. I thought like you just slide it on your flat iron a certain way. I got these from Amazon, and his adhesive, it was just dumb. It was, wow, look, it just comes off. My hair is too coarse. I don't know. Maybe this is for the white girlies too, but this are people who just got that nice silky hair. I don't have it, so it didn't work for me. I have coarse hair, and honey, you got to work it, and it didn't work for me. So I went back to my brush or my comb, and we got it together. But like I said, this Olaplex treatment was so good. And remember when I told y'all how I went to go get my hair done I wanted an Olaplex treatment, and she just raked my hair so hard, and she was just not nice. I'm going to put that adhesive on there, and I'm returning this because I want my $20 back. Anyway, so she did not put that repair cream in my hair. She didn't take the steps. She didn't sit me under the dress. She didn't do nothing. Okay? Like I said, I walked out paying like $130 for just a shampoo. But it is what it is. At this point, I'm going to start doing Olaplex treatments on everybody and charging them, I don't know, not $135. But anyway, so yeah, I was rethinking like, why is he my boyfriend with this type of thinking? Like, you don't see the logic? Like, my hair is natural already. And he was like, no, you got to do it the right way. While he's sitting there. Anyway, I digress. But who do y'all think that I need to cut my hair before I start my lock journey? And they're Sydney pointing out my gray. So they're just, everybody in my house, they're just coming for me. Okay. I'm like, okay, I have gray hair. As long as it's in the back, I don't care. And this is after I use the root touch up. Please, somebody help me. I'm drowning. So anyway, that unbrush, it saved me. I didn't really like it because I used it on Sydney before she became a lot girly, and it turned me off because it did not help. It did not work. I did not like it. But for my hair, and if you angle it right, it really helps. Look at my hair. It feels, I wish y'all could just come feel it. It feels so soft. And I would say it's shiny, but my lighting, there she go. She's harassing me and then she's leaving. She's harassing me about my gray hair. Now she's leaving me alone. Thank you. So anyway, it feels so shiny. It's nice. It's soft. I would recommend an Olaplex treatment for everyone to use. Know how to use it, when to use it. If you are doing a silk press, do not use that leave-in treatment. But if you're just like wanting to get your hair done or prepping it for a protective style, I would say go ahead and use it. My hair is just growing, and I'm just so excited about the length of my hair, and using my products every day on my hair has really gotten it to where I want it to be. And don't ever be afraid to trim your hair, guys. I trim my hair whenever I really do a silk press. I don't do it 4 to 8 weeks. You don't have to trim your hair 4 to 8 weeks. I trim my hair about every 4 months, y'all. That works for me. And find something that works for you. I use my hydrating mist, and I use my hair growth oil, and my hairline has been the thickest that it's ever been since I became an adult, y'all. So go ahead and use it. The link will be in my description box, and I'm telling you, the proof is here. But anyway, so yeah, we had a discussion, me and my boyfriend at the time, because we are not together anymore after he said that dumb stuff to me. Like, are you crazy? Like, do you not understand that people grow their hair? It's a hair growth journey, natural hair growth journey, just to transition sometimes into locks. So you don't have to start at the teeny weeny, the tiny little afro, the tiny little locks. Look at the grays. I didn't know those were there. Where'd they come from? My gosh. Whew. Anyway, so I can't be with somebody who thinks like that. Like, it just doesn't make sense. Because if you're illogical in that sense, how you gonna make big decisions? That turned me off, y'all. Tell me if I was wrong. But we're not together anymore. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch this. I did trim my hair. My hair feels so soft. It makes me so excited to start parting my hair, sectioning it off to get the boho braids, which that will be my next video. Should I pull those gray hairs out? My heart is just broken, y'all, between him and these gray hairs popping in my middle part. Woo. Anyway, so I thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you feel about locks. Do you think I should cut off all my natural hair to start, or start them just like this? Because one thing about locks, your hair gonna shrink up, baby. Look at my hair. Ooh, I'm so proud of my hair, y'all. I want you to be proud of yours too, and never cut it off if you don't have to. Just start locks. Sydney had relaxer in her hair, even though I did cut a lot of her hair off, but she had relaxer in her hair, and her stylist was trying to cut off her ends, and I was like, Well, Sydney said, wait till they grow. So it's all about what you want to do with your hair. Yes, opinions matter, but opinions like that, when you have no idea, I just can't do it. I cannot. Let me know if I'm wrong. What would you do? And this is the way that I cut my hair. It has no rhyme or reason. I just like to look at my ends and pull it from different angles and elevation, just to see how much hair I like to cut off. Usually, y'all know I would cut a lot more off, but I'm trying to grow my hair, because usually, y'all know, if y'all are my day ones and you see how I cut my hair, I cut it off in chunks, maybe 2 to 3 inches sometimes. But now that I have like a goal, I'm trying to like keep a few inches, maybe cut off like 1 inch now instead of 2 inches. And I'm not afraid to cut, but I have a goal that I kind of want to do, like grow my hair to butt length. That's my goal. So I have a lot of thinning edges, as you can see right here. Cut that off, and then I'm going to cut more off my foam. My storage was like messing up, y'all, so y'all don't get to see the whole cut, but I did cut like 1 inch all the way around, lifted at every angle. So don't go by what I'm doing, because I never wear my hair straight. I'm never going to give myself a straight across cut. That's not for me. But do what works for you. Long as your ends are getting cut, that's okay. And you can tell that I wear my hair in a bun all the time, because that middle section, the middle back section, Ooh, wee, child. I don't have split ends, but I do have a lot of thinning, and that is because the way I wear my hair, I always wear it in a bun, and the way that I detangle and the way that women detangle my hair, ooh, Lord. And I'm going to add some more oil, and I'm just going to wrap my hair, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please subscribe, share this video. Please turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Have a blessed and happy day. Bye.